Good morning, officer. How is your day going?
Yes, I'm doing very well, thank you. Tell me something about yourself.
Officer, I am Mohammad Ashikujaman Rimon. I have completed my BSc in Physics from Kumilla University in 2022. After completion of my BSc in Physics, I have joined a multinational company in Bangladesh. In my spare time, I love to play cricket and football.
Why you want to study in USA?
Officer, as we all know that USA is a prominent country for uh, international students, and it's famous for world-renowned educational system, super quality education system, innovative curriculum, and vibrant campus life inspired me to apply for USA. As I am working in a company, I have found that receiving master's degree from United States United States get value more than any other countries. So that's why I choose USA for my study.
How many university you have applied?
Officer, I have applied three universities.
What are they?
They are International American University, and Eastern Illinois University, and St. Louis University.
Okay. How many university you have got your acceptance?
Among them, officer, I have accepted two universities named Eastern Illinois University, and International American University.
Finally, which university you are going?
I am going for Eastern Illinois University, which is located in Charleston.
Why you choose this university?
Officer, there are several reasons behind choosing this university. First of all, they offer a strong program emphasizes on academic excellence and practical skills, which aligns with my perfectly aligned with my career goals. And I had a conversation with some ex students of this university. They gave me positive feedback and environment about Charleston.
Okay. Which program you are going?
Officer, I am going to business administration and management to pursue my master's.
Why you choose this program?
Officer, as I earlier said that I received a bachelor degree in physics, but I have been always fascinated about business. I have been always fascinated about business. As I am working in a company as a research and development assistant, I found that there is a significant importance in the field of business. So I had a wish to start a new company based on physics related like nanotechnology, material science, and renewable energy.
What do you know about your courses? Okay. How come you know about this university name?
Officer, I have searched so many top class universities in online. Then I choose this university.
What are you doing at the moment?
I'm working in a multinational company as a research and development assistant.
Right. How much is your salary there?
My salary is approximately 1 lakh taka per month.
Okay, who will pay your tuition fees?
Officer, my father is going to bear all the expenses over there.
What about him?
He is a Supreme Court lawyer. He has been practicing there for 22 years. Besides that, he has two rental houses besides our house.
How much money he is earning every month?
He earns approximately 8 to 9 lakh from his professional life. Besides that, 2 to 4 lakhs he can earn from 2 to 4 lakhs and from rental houses.
Okay. What is your future plan?
Officer, my future plan is to come after my post graduation degree. I wish to come back Bangladesh and start up my business.
Right. আচ্ছা, প্রবলেম ছিল কোথায় কোথায়?
ভাইয়া